In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use synthetic division. Synthetic division is different to the long division, and it makes division of polynomials easier. Okay, so how do we do synthetic division? So using synthetic division. Synthetic division is more on following a set of procedures. And the first step in using synthetic division is that you take all the coefficients of the given polynomial. So if you take a look at the first term, the coefficient of 3, so that's 3, and then negative 8, 9, and a constant minus 10, so it becomes negative 10. Just keeping in mind that whenever you skip an exponent, you have to insert a 0. So for example, if I have 3x cubed and then I suddenly jump to 9x, then minus 10, then the numbers that I'll be using should be 3, there's a 0 for the x squared because x squared is not present, and then 9 and negative 10. Okay, so that's what I mean when there's a skipping of a term or an exponent. Okay, now the second step is to place a number here, and we use this particular symbol for synthetic division. Now we place a number, and that number is the one that will make x minus 2 equal to 0. So this is x equals 2. Okay, after doing that, so create a line, okay, ensuring that there's a space in here because we have to do something in this space. Okay, now next thing you have to do is to drop the first number, so that's 3, and then you multiply the 3 to this number 2, which is 6, and you place that answer just under the second number, negative 8. And then vertically you add, so this is negative 2. And then you just have to repeat the process. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Then you add, you have 5. And then you multiply again it by 2. So you have 5 times 2 equals 10, and this becomes 0. The last number here is the remainder. So as you can see, the synthetic division is an easier way to find the remainder when you're dividing a polynomial by a binomial. Okay? But where is the answer now? Because we're dividing 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 9x minus 10 by x minus 2. The answer lies here. Okay? Since you're dividing x cubed by an x, then the quotient will have x squared on the first term, x in the second term, and then the last one as a constant. Okay? To write the answer again, the quotient is 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. So this is faster than using the long division. See, the name itself, long division, means you have to do a long process. Synthetic division is shorter than long division, and sometimes it's a more efficient way of dividing a polynomial by a binomial. Okay? Now take note that synthetic division is applied to a polynomial when you're dividing a polynomial by a binomial. Okay? And in this case, we only show a specific type of binomial, and that is when the coefficient of x is just 1. Okay, so x minus 2, the coefficient of x is 1. Okay, in another video, I'll be showing a case in which there will be an added step when the binomial has a coefficient not equal to 1 anymore in the x. Like, for example, if I change the divisor into 2x minus 3, then that will be a different story. Okay, but for now, in terms of basics, so this is how you perform the synthetic division. Okay, so to master this, you just have to watch the video again just in case you want to review the steps. It's about following the procedures and the steps in using the synthetic division. Okay, that's it.